Assalamualaikum. Today I will talk about CSC238, June 2019, question 3. So, Precious Bridal Agency offers attractive packages for wedding ceremonies. The following data members show the collection of information needed. So, we have class order, class name string, contact number string, wedding date, number of guests, integer, class package, char. And then we have class date, day, month, and year. All three is integer. Write a definition class for class order with the data member given, and then we need to use a normal constructor, a method total that calculates and returns the total price. If there is more than 8,000 guests, then there will be a 10% discount. And then write a Java main program and to declare an array uh, to store 20 class order objects and then read and store all data in the objects. So let's see the class diagram first. So we have class order, class name string, contact number string, wedding date, number of guests, integer, custom package, char. Class order and a normal constructor, a total, double, and then a toString for display the data. So first I would like to explain why we have date here as the data type. So this is what we call as a composite object, where we use another class as a data type. So we see here date, and this refers to class date, which have the normal constructor date with parameters. So here we have day here integer, and then the accessors. So in the class order class, you can see here we have the variables, a normal constructor, a total method. You can see here double total if there is more than 1,000 guests, and then we use a nested if class package A total equals 30,000 times 0.9, which equals to 90%. If B 25,000 times 0.9, else 15,000 times 0.9, else, and there will be no discount. 30,000, 25,000, 15,000, return total. And then we have toString method and display all of this. And then we have class date. We have private integer, day, month, and year. Public date. This is a normal constructor. Then we have the accessor, and the reason we use accessor is so that we can use it in the toString method to display the each of the members of the date class, since we use date as the data type. So we see here wedding date dot get day, wedding date dot get months, and wedding date dot get year. So if we go to the class order app, the main method, so we have the variables, we have the scanner, scanner input, scanner since in, and then we have class order, and then bracket for declaring array, object 1 equals to new class order, 20 as the size. So we have the loop, and here we have the for input the data. So for the name, number, day, month, and year, number of guests, and then package type. And then we declare object 2. We use date as the data type, which refers to class date. and then new date DMY refers to date, month, and year. Use this as parameters, and then object 1 I equals new um, cast order, name, contact, object 2, and here we use object 2 as the parameter, guest number, and cast back, and then we print out each of the objects. Object 1 I to string. So if we run it, enter name, number, enter the day, number of guests. So we go for under 1,000 guests first, and then let's go for package A. So you can see here the name, number, date, number of guests, and package A. So total 30,000. Let's try again. Day. Number of guests. This time we try for over 1,000 guests is to 1,200, and package B. So here we see the name, number, date, guest, package, and total 22,500 ringgit, where 10% is reduced from the original price, 35,000. So that's it. Thank you for watching.